Hello everybody. So today what we're going to be doing is finishing up this area over here up to this line going across here, and then this area right here is possibly going to be a different kind of layout. I haven't really decided on that yet. But the other thing, as I mentioned in my previous video, I was thinking about a different approach on these boards here, and what I'm going to be doing is actually using a hand planer and getting some of the high parts down before I go at it with the belt sander. So that's the plan for today. Enjoy the show. Okay, so got a lot done today. Got the oak boards installed. There's two kind of custom size pieces that I have to make that are going at the base of the west wall, and I'll address those in the morning. Got everything planed down, got it sanded. Right now it's sanded down to 80. I'll probably go, up to 180, maybe 220. Anything beyond that is just, pretty much a waste of time. As long as you have all the scratches out, it's going to look fine. And so, things are progressing nicely. I still haven't decided what I'm going to do in the area that's, if you want to call it, kind of like the entrance way. I haven't really decided on that yet. I'm looking at a couple of different options. So that's my video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Today's episode is brought to you by Lead Shed Production.